I am the e-content developer. So in the University of Mysore, I am going to explain the paper Astronomy and Astrophysics. So in Astronomy and Astrophysics, I am going to explain the unit stellar characteristics. This is for BSc students, 5th sem BSc students. So in stellar characteristics, I am going to explain the mass luminosity relationship and expression for lifetime of a star, color index, HD classification, and HR diagram. The learning objectives are the concepts of mass luminosity relationship, lifetime, and classification of stars. So in this session, students must be able to understand the mass luminosity relationship, classification based on color index. The content of these units are mass luminosity relationship and expression for lifetime of a star, color index, HD classification, HR diagram, that is Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. Say first I am going to explain the mass luminosity relationship. So the amount of energy out per second from the surface of a star is its luminosity. The expression for luminosity of a star, L equals E by tau, where E is equal to R cube into Tc power 4. The photon diffusion time is defined as the ratio of the total radiant energy E contained in the volume of a star to the luminosity L of the star, that is tau equal to E by L. The total amount of light energy is given out by a star in all directions per unit time is called the luminosity of a star. From Stephen's law, the luminosity of a star L equals 4 pi r square sigma into T power 4, where r is the radius of the star, T is the surface temperature of the star, and sigma is the Stephen's constant. The energy density of the radiation, which is a function of temperature T, is defined as the energy density of radiation U equals 4 sigma by C into T power 4, where C is the velocity of light. According to the linear star model, the relation between the core temperature T and the varying temperature Tr is given by T of R equals Tc into 1 minus small r by capital R. The total energy, the radiant energy E is given by E equals 1 divided by 105 into 16 pi sigma by C into R cube Tc power 4. So now, we'll discuss about the lifetime of a star. See, the lifetime of a star is defined as the ratio between the mass and luminosity of a star. Therefore, lifetime of a star is proportional to m by L, that is proportional to m by m cube, because L proportional to m cube. So therefore, lifetime of a star is inversely proportional to the square of its mass. So lifetime is proportional to 1 by m square. Hence, lifetime of a star is inversely proportional to the square of its mass. So now we will discuss about the color index HD classification. See, the color index in astronomy, the difference between two measurements of the magnitude, so brightness on a logarithmic scale of a star made at different wavelength being subtracted from that found at the shorter. In HD, in color index HD classification, so we have different classes that is shown in the graph: O, B, A, F, G, K, M, and their corresponding effective temperature, conventional color description, and actual apparent color. For example, for class O, its effective temperature is always greater than or equal to 30,000 Kelvin, and the color conventional color description is blue, actual operant color is blue. So similarly for class B, its effective temperature ranging from 10,000 Kelvin to 30,000 Kelvin, and the conventional color description blue white, actual operant color is deep blue white. So similarly for different classes, their effective temperature, conventional color description, and actual operant color that is shown in the table. Now we'll discuss about HR diagram. See, it is a graphical representation of the absolute magnitude of stars plotted against the spectral class. So here you can see HR diagram. So magnitude, absolute magnitude versus temperature. The y-axis then represents the energy output of the star or luminosity, and the x-axis its surface temperature. The temperature is plotted from right to left. See, in x-axis there is a temperature. You can see the variation of temperature of a different stages of the star. So if you keep on moving from right to left, so there is increasing temperature. The different stages of the star with increasing temperature are red giants, giants, supergiants, blue giants, dwarfs, white dwarfs. So therefore, there is a variation of energy output of the star or luminosity with its surface temperature is shown in the HR diagram. The references are shown here. Thank you.